Hi guys, I'll show you how to lift the rear seats on a Hilux for more storage. So below the seat near the floorboard, you'll find the strap. You just need to pull it front. When you pull it up, it releases this hook, as you can see. It's present on the other side too. Now we just need to loop it into the headrest, and we need to lock it in by pressing this button. That's it. The seat is secured. It will remain up. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side too. We will pull the strap front. Also, it's better if we lift the headrest up a bit so that we get this room to loop it in better. This is how it looks from the inside. Later, to put the seat down, we will release the strap and lay it down, and it just locks in. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.